Hello, so today I'm excited because I finally got my Lauralee mystery box. Okay, so I'm excited because this is my first order from Lauralee, and it is a mystery box. So she has been doing a lot of mystery boxes in her channel, with her niece and like just her. But I enjoy them so much, so I thought it was a really fun idea for her to make one with her own brand. And like I said, I don't own any of the Lauralee makeup, so I'm excited because this is all new for me. So I'm excited. So I did want to get her like original palette because I was most interested in that one, but I was never able to get it, and now it's not available. So this thing, she had 3 boxes, and I think she is gonna bring them back. So it's good for people that haven't tried it to try the makeup, and for those who have and are a fan of her and her makeup, to just keep her collection growing. So it's okay. So she had 3 boxes, A, B, and C. There were the C was 50, the B was 60, and the A was 75. Yeah. So I was gonna get the 60, but then I was like, it's just $15 more. Might as well get the 75. And it was I literally like set an alarm. I think I bought it like at like 2-3 minutes after. So yeah, so it was really easy to do the buy. It was easy to place an order, and now it's here like a week later. So this is how it comes. It has the Lauralee little paper, and it is has bubble wrapped, and she does have a little note card that just says Lauralee All Beauty Sponge. This one is going to be available, I think, on the 22nd or 23rd already. This box also has some new products that are not like they're not for sale, but they're going to be like later this month. This one I think is going to be $12. She also included a mirror. I think this one is going to be $13. So this is how this one looks like. It has a regular like size. Oh, I think they're both regular. I thought it was like a magnifying side. Oh no, it is, but just like slightly. So this is how this one looks like. It has a marble print, and it has her little I guess signature right there for her brand. Next we have the LL Beauty Sponge. It has like a little raised right here. And this one is gonna be on sale, like I said. I think she posted like yesterday, on the 22nd and the 23rd of April. But let me open it. So here it has a little like diagram. It says pointed tip for precise application, and then it says flat surface for baking. It does fit really well in the skin, and it has like a little egg shape. Has a little pointed and a little more rounded side on the other side. Okay, so she did put like a few things on the outside, and then the little actual bag. So this is a liquid lipstick in Nakey. I can never open these things without ripping it. Okay, so this is a nude. I don't know how it's gonna look on my skin. It does have like a scent. Yeah, so it might be a little light for my skin tone. It's more like a concealer look, but we'll see. This is another liquid lipstick, and this one is in Cabana. So these are not really my favorite shades that I usually go for, but this one is gonna be more for like, it's more like an orange color. Oh, and it has different color tops. I don't know why. Maybe it was like a different collection. And then it also has this. It says Lauralee Los Angeles. Oh, it's like a C palette. It has LL Lauralee Los Angeles. So now let's do this bag. So it's a pretty nice size bag, and it's black. It has like a little velvet feel to it, and it has a little LL and like rose gold, and it's heavy. So let's see what's inside. I got it like maybe 2 days ago, but I haven't opened it yet. So the first thing that I see on the top are some single shadows and a little palette. So wow. So there's 6 single shadows. This one is Rally. So they're gonna go really well in that C palette. Shook, Summertime, Subscribe to my channel, Drunk Flamingo, and Meow. She does have a lot of kittens. Personally, I'm a dog person. I don't even have dogs. My parents had dogs. But yeah. So the next thing is a little palette. It's called Party Animal. So this is how it looks. It has like a matte feeling. And this is how the I put my fingernail. That's how this one looks like. Pretty bold shades. But it's a good like to have like a pop of color. So here are a few swatches. It does have the names on the palette, which I love. The purple one is Hungover, the pink one is Buttons Up, and the blue one, it is Karaoke. And it has a mirror right here. Put my dirty fingers in it. So the next one, it is the Nudie Patootie palette. Wow. I like that she didn't put like things that were not selling. They're like really popular palettes, and wow. So this is more like that one's like a colorful palette, and this one is more like a nude, but it still has this like pretty gorgeous shades, which I'm gonna swatch, of course. Wow, they feel really soft. So I just swatched the top one right there is Butt Naked. This one right here, it is All Natural, and then the next one is Jaybird, and then this one right here is a little light, but it is this streaking right here shade, and it has a pretty big mirror right there, and I'm excited to use this. Okay, so I do see a brush. This is the Lauralee, of course, Los Angeles L14. It doesn't say what kind of brush, but I think it's more like contour brush. Has really soft bristles. Okay, and then I think maybe the last thing, it is, oh, there's another brush. This one is the L19. It looks like a little short brush. It has, like I said, a little more tight bristles. That one is a little more loose. This one looks like a packer. And I love the little pink handle and the rose gold right there. So next is this, it is Glaze and Bronze Glaze Lip Kit. Glaze Bronze Lip Kit. So probably highlighters. Oh, it has 2 of them. Wow.
So, 1, 2, 3, 4.
So there's like 4 full-size products. I mean 4 full-size palettes. So this one says glazed, and this one says lip kits. So these are highlighters, and let me swatch them. They're pretty like giant size. Wow, I love them. So I swatched Diamonds and Glow Gal. These ones are a little more like, they feel really soft. So that one is Rose All Day, and then Cinnamon Sugar is right there. So they look a little like they're like a little, you know, kind of afraid to use, but they, by the swatches, they look like usable. They don't look that different. So we have, I mean, not different, like they look usable. So and the other one is, I thought it was gonna be like bronzers, but by the like bronzed, but it does say lit kit. So Let me swatch some. I don't even have, whoa. This one right here is On the Glow. They're really soft. Let's do Gold Rush and Yacht Club. Wow, I love Yacht Club. So Gold Rush and Yacht Club right there. Yacht. And I'm impressed. I really like it. Look, they're magnetized. Okay, let's look at the bag. So the bag looks like simple, right? But everything fit in it really good. It has a little handle and does have like little zippers right here. So I guess you can put your brushes. And I really enjoyed everything. I'm excited to wear it. Let me try one of the lipsticks. So I did put on, what's this one right here, which is Cabana. So I did put it on my lips. It is a little light, like for my skin. She is, I wish it would have been more of a darker brown, but it's okay. So yeah, I'm not loving the lip colors, but the face stuff, it's great. So here I swatched some of the single shadows. So this one right here is Rally, the one in the middle. I also swatched Summertime, which is this one right here, and the like orange coppery shade, not coppery, this color right here, which is Drunk Flamingo. I love the names. So that's how this one looks like. Here are the shades right here. So I'm gonna be putting down below the prices of everything and how much it was for the $17 that I paid for. But I'm really impressed. So I got all of these things, and like I said, I'm new to the brand, so I'm excited to try. I basically got like everything, like an eyeshadow, blush. I can use some of the the shadows for blush. You know, you can use whatever you want. It doesn't like exactly have to use eyeshadow for eyeshadow. So I'm excited for all of this. And then we got the brushes and the sponge, which are our new items, and you know, the mirror also. Like I said, like it's pretty a lot of things for $75. So I did see that Jeffrey was gonna get he did the boxes like he usually does, and I was gonna get that one because, you know, I haven't tried any things from Jeffrey either. But then I saw this her I don't think she announced it like a lot like in videos, just that one video that she did the haul, and I was like, you know what, that's what I'm getting. So I'm excited I did get all of this. You know, it's exciting, new things to try from the brand as a new customer, I guess. So yeah, that's gonna be all for today's video. Hope you guys enjoy watching. I am gonna do a video with the palette, the eyeshadow, and everything. So I hope you guys come back and watch it, and until next time, I will catch you later. Bye.